Hello traders. In this video, we will quickly discuss the important levels to watch for Nifty expiry. Okay, today's expiry 10th June weekly expiry we are having today. Now, first we will understand, what are the important levels as per OI data, that is open interest or option chain analysis. On put side, 15,600 strike is having highest OI, 63 lakh shares are active. Today's addition since morning till now, you can see it is 35 lakhs. On call side, so we have a call writing going in 15,800 strike, 26 lakh addition. Total OI you can see 79 lakh. So this is one of the uh, highest OI you can see in 15,800 call strike. So on downside 15,600 is looking like support, on upside 15,800 is looking like hurdle. So we can expect today Nifty can expire or close or settle in this range between 15,600 to 15,800. As of now, Nifty is trading at 15,715. Now, based on this uh, option chain data, what we can do, we can go for short iron condor strategy, where we can sell 15,600 put, right now trading at 9.20. We can sell 15,800 call option, right now trading at 4.05. So roughly you will have 13, 13 and 13.25 points credit. Now to hedge, both these positions and to get margin benefit, what you can do, you can buy deep OTM options. You can buy maybe 15,100 put option. You can buy 16,300 call option. So at 500 points distance from your sell leg, you can buy deep OTM option. In this way, you will get margin benefit. Margin required to trade this strategy will be somewhere close to 65,000 in intraday. And on net basis, you can make 11 points from this strategy if Nifty close between 15,600 to 15,800. So 11 points is like 825 rupees. So on net basis, you can easily manage to get 1.25 percentage in intraday on your trading capital. Now, what should be the stop loss on your selling legs? So if let's say Nifty gets volatile or it is giving you one side move, either on upside or on downside. So you need to protect your sell leg by having proper stop loss. So around, as I told you, 11 points, you will get net credit. So you can keep stop loss 22 points on your sell legs. So 15,600 put 22 points, you can keep stop loss. 15,800 call 22 points, you can keep stop loss. So your risk reward ratio will be 1:1. Either you will earn 11 points or you will lose 11 points. Now let's come to graph analysis. So this is Nifty hourly time frame. On upside, you can see 15,780, 15,800. Okay, this is the resistance zone we can see on graph. In yesterday trading session, Wednesday, 9th June, Nifty made a high of 15,800.45. And after that, we got a good fall in Nifty. So two strong bearish candles you can see back to back. So this was the massive fall yesterday after hitting 15,800.45. So right now Nifty you can see it is trading at 15,713. On upside, this is looking like hurdle. 15,780, 15,800. This is the supply zone for Nifty. And this is the first candle on hourly time frame. Again, you can see today we got a good reversal. Let me convert this into 15 minutes time frame and let's see from which level we got rejection from downside. So it completely reversed from CPR. So as of now, you can see the low made by Nifty is 15,648.50. So below 15,648, 15,600 can work like support as per OI data. So that's it, guys. Keep watch on Nifty. Let's see if we are getting expiry in the range of 15,600 to 15,800.